Please ensure you are using all necessary personal protective equipment before starting this experiment. In this video, we will be inoculating a prepared nutrient agar plate with liquid microbial culture using aseptic techniques. Note that gloves, safety goggles, and a lab coat must be worn at all times. Isolated colonies are prepared by microbiological streaking onto solid agar plates. This method is used to obtain isolated, independent colonies and involves sequential dilution of the original culture over the entire surface of the plate. As you will see, after the initial inoculation, the original sample is diluted by streaking over successive quadrants. The first 4 streaks would show heavy growth, producing a lawn of bacteria. The second 4 streaks would show less dense growth than the original area. The third 4 streaks would show weak growth, perhaps a few isolated colonies, while the fourth 4 streaks should show isolated colonies. A final streak into the center of the plate will ensure isolated colony growth. Mark the base of your plate where you will inoculate it with culture. Turn on and light the Bunsen burner. Take care you're not leaning over it. Sterilize a wire inoculating loop by flame and ensure the wire turns red. Wait for the loop to cool and dip into the liquid culture. Inoculate your plate by placing a loopful onto the edge of the plate where it is marked. Flame and cool your loop. Once it has cooled, streak the first quadrant by drawing 4 streaks through the original sample. Flame and cool your loop again. Streak the second quadrant by drawing 4 streaks through the first 4. Flame and cool your loop. Streak the third quadrant by drawing 4 streaks through the second 4. Flame and cool your loop. Streak the fourth quadrant by drawing 4 streaks through the third. And make one final streak into the center. Make sure it does not touch your original inoculation. Place the lid over the agar plate and seal it with parafilm. Invert and incubate the plate at a suitable temperature.